Good morning, students. How are you all? Beta, let's do the remaining assignments. Why did Margie's mother feel sad and worried? What did she do? See, Margie's mother was very sad to see Margie's performance as she was performing bad. What did she do? She called for the county inspector to know the reason of the problem and hence giving solution to the problem, that is Margie's performance. She wanted to improve Margie's performance, that's why she called the county inspector to know the problem, that why she was scoring low, okay, and why she was facing the same problem again and again. I hope you are clear with this. Let's move on to question number 10. Who was county inspector? What did he do with the mechanical teacher? See beta, we are going to use the word mechanical teacher only, okay. So county inspector, over here you have to give a description of it and learn it properly. County inspector was a round little man with a red face with a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He took the mechanical teacher apart, थोड़ी देर के लिए वो थोड़ा अलग कर देता है उस टीचर को मार्गी से, and set it right to an average of 10 years old level. As Margie was 11 years old, so he set the level to a 10-year-old level. I hope you are clear with this. Why did Tommy scream with laughter? Beta, internal questions will be asked, so go through each and every word of the chapter. Okay, this is the internal question now. Why did Tommy scream with laughter? When Margie could not understand the real teacher, and then when she explained that she did not want a man to come in her house to teach her, then Tommy screamed with laughter. I'm reading the question for you. When Margie could not understand the old school teacher and told that she would not want a strange man in her house to teach her, as she was getting education in her house, in a room next to her bedroom, then Tommy screamed with laughter because she thought that a strange man would come to her house to teach her. But in olden times, or you can say in our times, children used to go to a building and they were taught by a real human teacher. I hope you are clear with this. How was the old book different from what? From the telebooks, you can say. The old book was different because the words were printed and still on the pages even after being turned. As you can see your books, the old book was different because the words were printed and still on the pages even after being turned. I was telling you that if you open any of your book and you see page numbers, for example 20 page number, and you move on to further pages, suppose 30 page, if you want to turn the pages back to 20 page, you will find the same words. But Tommy and Margie, who used to get education through mechanical teacher through their telebooks, they did not have the same thing, okay. Whereas the words are moving on the computer screen. See, they were having a mechanical robot teacher and you people are having human teacher, and you have real books, they have telebooks. I hope you are clear with it. Now 13th question. How do the children of 22nd century get and do their homework? The children of 22nd century, the upcoming century you can say, they get their homework on the screen. They have to put their homework in a slot. Slot क्या होता है बेटा? एक particular area और या folder कह सकते हैं जिसमें आप अपना क्या करेंगे, homework को पेस्ट करेंगे वहाँ पे. Writing them out in a punch code. As you learned alphabets while you were in nursery standard or UKG level, they used to learn punch code. This is the language that is being used there, okay. By the mechanical teacher, by the computer teacher, they use the language punch code. I hope you are clear with this. Now justify the title of the story. What is the title? The fun they had. बेटा आप लोग भी क्या करते हैं, स्कूल लाइफ को एक फन फिल कहते हैं. When you go to colleges and you miss your school days, as school days are considered to be the best part of your life, full of fun and frolic, okay. The title is appropriate because the students of olden times refers to our times. Again and again I'm telling you that this period we are talking about the coming generation children. Okay, so olden time children would be you people only. The students of olden times laughed. They used to laugh together, shout together, sat together in the schoolroom as you people do. I mean, did till March. They learned the same things and left together at the end of the day. They used to learn the same things from the same teacher in a single classroom, and you people as go depart towards your houses, okay, at the same time. In this way, they enjoyed their school and learnt everything without any stress, as homework is given and the next day it is being tallied. So the learning was enjoyable rather than boring. It was without any stress. I hope you are clear with this. Please do these question answers in your fair notebook. I'm going to give you an assignment also, so do that in your rough notebooks. Further questions are there. Try in your rough notebook and submit this by Wednesday. No, not Wednesday. Thursday. Okay. Beta, after finishing the chapter, we are going to organize a test. Okay.